We've all had that drawing. The head shape looks okay, but something's missing. So, quick question. Which head shape feels more interesting to you? And can you tell why? Have you ever thought about the why? What actually makes one head shape feel fun and another just a little less exciting? Let's find out together, and you'll start seeing head shapes in a whole new way. The head shape you probably picked is this. Here's why it works. Well, several reasons. Let's go through them. First up, this is a heavily exaggerated head shape. I stretched the jaw a lot to give the character some extra personality. I didn't use just one single line when I drew the whole head shape. I'm not saying you can draw an interesting head with one line, because oh yeah, you can, and we'll even experiment with that technique in the next episode, which is actually really fun. But using several shapes to build a head gives you a lot of creative freedom. You can blend the shapes for a smooth, natural look or exaggerate contrasts between them. Either way, the multiple shapes make the head instantly more dynamic. What else? I played with the line weight. The lines I wanted to stand out, I made thicker. That way, I could put more emphasis on the parts of the head I wanted to highlight. A little bit connected to an earlier point, by building our characters from multiple shapes and forms, we open up the possibility for small details to appear. These can be anything. Wrinkles I showed earlier, but even if you started from a very simple head shape, it can be a bump on top of the head. All these little touches add personality and charm to the design. And we haven't even touched on the facial features yet, which play a huge part in giving your character real personality. But don't worry, we'll cover that soon. For now, we just looked at the head shape itself and the key elements that help make it pop. So, eye-catching shapes, multiple shapes, dynamic lines, and details. These can help make a cartoon head shape more interesting and give it a real cartoon vibe, plus whatever else I haven't discovered yet. If you want to see these in action, check out my next video where we'll draw exaggerated head shapes using these techniques. See you there!